Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Supreme Ventures has outlined plans to outdo last year's record performance in 2018. CEO of Supreme Ventures, Don Young Sang, said the company will be looking at 4 strategic areas to drive growth.
We're going to be pursuing growth aggressively through a realignment, strengthening our partnerships. We're looking at different mergers, acquisition to make sure that our leadership position is maintained. We're going to be rationalizing, optimizing, and growing all of our gaming units. Not one will be left untouched. We'll be focusing in terms of sports betting. World Cup is coming on, looking at various football tournaments, build on our growth, improving our product offering. We'll be increasing our customer offering in not only our lounges, but also in the VLT route system.
VLT revenues grew by 53% last year. Ms. Young Sang said technology will be embraced heavily. She also said regional expansion is on the cards this year.
You've heard about Guyana. We plan to go live this year in Guyana. And we're also currently evaluating other markets to enter into.
Carnival Cruise's biggest ship is to commence calls on Ocheria St. Anne later this year. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has announced that calls will begin on October 2. Mr. Bartlett made the announcement at the official inauguration and naming ceremony for the Carnival Horizon in New York City last week. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.35. The Canadian dollar is selling for $100.02. The pound sterling cost $167.45, while the euro is going for $148.04. The price of oil fell sharply today, tacking on more losses as the market sold off ahead of an OPEC meeting. That meeting could see major producers lift output caps that have been in place since January 2017. The price of oil fell $1.15 to settle at $66.73 a barrel. It's down 7.6% since settling at $72.24 last Tuesday, its highest closing level since November 2014. Stocks and Securities has indicated that the initial public offering IPO, which was recently offered by Everything Fresh, has been oversubscribed. The offer has been closed, and Everything Fresh sought to raise $390 million from the IPO. The basis of allocation of shares is to be communicated at a later date. The JC Index lost 693 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 24. Stocks posting gains today included Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Consolidated Bakeries, Honeybun, Jamaican Teas, Pan Jam, and Stationery and Office Supplies. The losing end were Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Express Catering, K-Lee Group, Lasco Distributors, Maber Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, T-Tech, and the Wisynco Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.